mom and family. Take a seat right there. Get that plane over. Just like me.
Here you have my two beautiful males, Josh and Saxon, prepping our non-tilled, compost-fed living soil for light winter crops, which are romaine lettuces, mustard greens, and also carrots. Here we have Josh showing our son how to even space the plants apart, how to dig the hole and transplant seedling into the garden properly.
Look at that.
What is it? Oh, can I feed it? Can I feed it? Let me feed it, please, please.
Josh catches a frog, gives it to Saxon to feed to the chickens.
Throw it in there.
Not nice. Poor frog.
Yes. My chicken got it. Did you hear the frog? Did you hear the frog?
Oh, I think mine's good now.
Did you hear the
There,
frog?
come on.
Was that the frog?
Father and son continue with the works. Saxon learns how deep to dig the hole. He's packing the dirt around the base of the plant so that it stands up straight. Now they are harvesting carrots.
Get the purple carrot right over there. Gosh, this purple carrot's messed up a little. That's skinny.
In this part, you'll see them both pulling out the bad bits and throwing it to the compost or to the chickens. Nothing here goes to waste. Now they are planting the mini romaine lettuces. Here they are planting the mustard greens.
Sure, pretty big.
I know what to do with them. We do this, look. We do this. We make some room. Like this. You scoot it back. See, we just scoot it back a little. That's how you fix stuff. There. Okay, time to plant.
Yep.
Told you.
And my favorite part of the video is just when father and son communicate. They're just talking. This really melts my heart. I am so blessed. This concludes the video. Thank you for watching. We hope that you got something positive out of this, and we look forward to sharing more of these with you.